Alright, good morning, kindergarten. I will be working with Group 1. Group 1, we're going to turn our math books to page 73. Turn your math books to page 73. Now, 73 wants us to count and write by tens. So, we have dimes right there. Those are dimes. And dimes, of course, are worth 10 cents. So, I'll put an example here on the board to kind of illustrate so we can practice, okay? Let's start off with the first one. That's 10. What's next? Keep going. 20, 30, so that's 30, 40, and the last dime that we have here, what is that? 50. So we have 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. So for number one, you're going to count those dimes and write the correct amount. As we look at number two, it wants us to color the correct number of blocks. So I have two grass charts on the board, and we're going to start off with this one. Notice the numbers are from 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It represents each block. Now this one asks us to color 4. We are coloring 4. So we're just shading in 4 blocks. Now I want you to shade it in completely, but for time's sake, I'm just going to shade in some of the block. So notice I stopped at 4. Let's go over to the next one. This says 2. So you only shade in 1, 2. So as you look at number 2, make sure you pay attention to what the number asks us on the bottom so you can color the correct amount. As we look at number 3, it asks us to circle the dimes that you need to buy the popcorn. Now, notice that dimes are worth 10 cents. So I'll put an example on the board. This item is worth 50 cents. So how many dimes do you have to circle to make 50 cents? Let's start counting by tens. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. So let's see how many dimes did I circle. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 10 dimes equals 50 cents. So when you look at the popcorn, make sure you circle the right amount of dimes to equal 40 cents. As we flip the page over to 76, number 4 just asks us to add. Let's move on to number 5. We have to write the number that comes after. So going to the board, we have 3 numbers, 17, 20, and 35. So let's start off with 17. What number comes after 17? That's correct. 18 does come after 17. So let's look at 20. What number comes after 20? Which number comes after 20? Good job, 21. Now what number will come after 35? What number do you think comes after 35? Would it be 34? No, 34 comes with 4. Good job, 36. It will be 36. So as you look at number 5, question 5, to make sure you write the number that comes directly after. Going on to the next one, number 6, it asks us, what time is it? So we're just telling time right now by the hour. So remember, the shorthand is the hour hand and longhand is the minute hand. So since the minute hand is on 12 and the shorthand, the hour hand, is that pointing at 1? So the time is, right, it is 1 o'clock. It is 1 o'clock from this clock. So as you look at number 6, make sure you look at what hand, the shorthand, also known as the hour hand, what number is that pointed to? And that will tell you the correct time for your answer. Number 7 wants us to write the combinations. So let's look at what we have. So we have we have shapes. Then we have to count the shapes on each side to put it in the right spot. Let's start off with this side. We have 1, 2, 3, 4. So since we have 4, would it go here? No, you're right. It will go right here. Since it's on that side, let's count the next one. 1, 2. That is 2. So what is 4 plus 2? From that combination, what is 4 plus 2? Good job. It is indeed 6. That is correct. And we're going to try one more. So how many stars do we have this top line? Let's count. 1, 2, 3. We have 3 stars. So 3 goes right there. Now how many stars do we have on the second line? 1, 2. So the 2 will go right here. So what is 3 plus 2? That's right. 3 plus 2 is 5. So for number 7, make sure you write the correct combinations.